Dear children, this is the fourth module we are going to discuss. That is the new topic, binary file operation. We had already discussed the basic things about binary file content. While we are comparing the text file, all the characters having ASCII code and Unicode. So in the text file, it will be stored either as ASCII or as Unicode. But in binary file, all the data contents are stored in the form of binary, that is zeros and ones. If you want to write the structure such as list, dictionary to a file and read it subsequently, we need to use the Python module pickle. Pickling is the process of converting structure to a byte stream before writing to a file. And while reading the content of the file, a reverse process is called unpickling. It is used to convert the byte stream back to the original format. That is, if you want to store the data like a list, a dictionary or a tuple into a file, it is having a specific structure. List having sequence of elements, having index, subscript, which is having a structure. So that is why the term used called structure. So if you want to store a structure like a list, a dictionary, then we can use binary files. Let me discuss about binary files in depth. Steps to perform binary operation. First, we need to import the module called pickle. This module provides two main functions. Dump, it is used to write the object file which is loaded in binary mode. That is the syntax is dump of object to write, that is nothing but the dictionary or list name. That is the identifier which we use to specify list or dictionary, and the file handle. Then load means what? Dumped data can be read from the file. That is, if you want to read a file which is in the binary format, we need to use load. Load into the program, dump into the file. Then load, that is, it is used to read object from the pickle file. The syntax is object equals load of file handle. Object equal load of file handle. Object, it may be a dictionary, it may be a list, or it may be a tuple. Then load file handle. File handle is nothing but the open function with the file object. Here I had given one example with a dump. Import pickle. This program is to demonstrate how the binary operation operates or how the binary file functions in a Python program. First, we need to import the module called pickle. My file equal open of, I am opening the file for writing binary file. That is why I used WB. Then dict1. That is, dict1 means what? A dictionary I had created with the e-name, p-name and charge as the keys. Jitendra simulator 45,000 as the values. Then look at the syntax which I had given. Pickle.dump of dict1 comma my file. That means what? In the pickle.module, we are having a function called a dump. By using the dump, we can write the dictionary into a file. So, my dear children, look at the exact file in the notepad. It doesn't show the exact values or the characters as it is in the dictionary. Because keys having a string format and the values having also a string format, we can have float integer values. So it doesn't have any specific structure in the text file. See the content. Dear children, see the content in the text file. That is, it is a kind of encrypted form of data. That is, it is in the binary format. The content which we wrote in a file can only be read. That means especially binary files, the program written files can only be read by the program. Look at the load function example. First I had imported pickle module. Then I opened a file for WB. That means I had written a function open for opening a file in the binary format. Then dict1 equal pickle.loadmf. That means what? MF is nothing but it is a dictionary. Then I opened it for reading. Then my file dot close. Then look at the next one. Dict1 equal 1a, 2b, 3c. That is the written content. Then I dumped that dictionary into MF. Then look at the next program. Import pickle. Then I opened the same file project in the mode RB. That means in the reading mode. Then within the dict1 I had loaded MF. That is from the file I had loaded dict1. So when I am trying to print dict1, item 1 is dict1 of 1. My dear children, here I had included one item, that is item 1 is A. Then if you are printing item 2, then you have to give dict2 of dict1 of 2. That will be printed as B. I think you are all clear about how to dump and load. Dumping is used to write, loading is used for reading. Reading, that is load into the program, dump into the file. You need to study the only one statement. Load into the program, that means reading, dump into the file. Thank you.